Hi, this is Shinahara. Today, we're here at a condominium in Nagoya, Aichi. A new renovation has been completed. So I'd like to introduce the room. This project was handled by IMECHEN Inazawa Store, Yonemura Corporation. So I'll be interviewing Mr. Yonemura to hear what kind of renovation work was done. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
To start, could you briefly tell us about the property?
Sure. This building is located in Naka Ward, Nagoya City, and it's a 32-year-old reinforced concrete structure.
So, this is a condominium rental, and I believe it's designed mainly for single tenants with a 1K layout. What kind of request did the owner have for this renovation?
Well, so this is a one-room unit for single occupants. About 30 years ago, it was completely normal to have what we call a three-piece unit bath.
Right.
But nowadays, that style is out of fashion, so the owner's main goal was to get rid of the old unit bath. And the other request was to create a layout that would last at least the next 10 years without needing another renovation.
I see. So, the property originally had a three-piece unit bath that made it hard to attract tenants, and you improved that issue this time. Got it. Now, could you please tell us what kind of work was done?
Sure.
Thank you. So, the moment I stepped into this room, this thing immediately caught my eye. What is this?
This is a hammock.
A hammock, right. Of course, this wasn't originally part of the room, was it? Was it installed as part of this renovation?
Yes, that's right.
This is a rental property, isn't it? Is it easy to install something like a hammock?
Actually, no, it's not that simple. Because this building is reinforced concrete, the ceiling is concrete as well.
I see.
So we thought, since it's concrete, we can hang things from it. And we just decided to go for it.
You just went for it.
Yes, a little playful touch.
So, even if someone says, I want to install a hammock like this, whether it's possible depends on what material the existing ceiling is made of, right?
Exactly.
If the ceiling were made of wood, and I sat on it, the whole thing might collapse.
That's right.
So in this case, since you've drilled directly into the concrete, it can handle a certain amount of weight safely.
Yes, that's correct.
By the way, I noticed you've also paid special attention to the lighting. Were these downlights already here originally?
No, originally there were just a standard ceiling light. But because we wanted to add downlights, we took advantage of the fact that the ceiling had wallpaper applied directly onto the concrete. There was a border edge running around the ceiling, about 4 centimeters thick, so we used that space to install ultra-thin downlights.
Oh, so these are thin-type downlights?
Yes, that's right.
So you lowered the ceiling just a little bit then. By how much?
By 4 centimeters.
So lowering the ceiling by 4 centimeters created enough space to install the downlights.
Exactly. And speaking of playful details, we also added something fun to the lighting itself.
Really?
Yes, the color changes.
Wow.
Plus, it also functions as a Bluetooth speaker, so you can play music through it.
The lighting plays music? So if you connect your smartphone, music plays from here.
Yes.
It's full of playful touches. I'd love to try the hammock later.
Yes, please do.
Now, since this is a 1K layout, the space isn't very large. What other renovations did you do?
Well, originally this area used to be a closet.
Right here? This part that's now a wall?
Yes, since we replaced the old three-piece bath, we needed space to install a separate toilet. So we used this side to build a wall and utilize the space. As a result, we had to remove the closet. So we relocated the closet. Over here.
Here?
Yes, originally the wall came all the way to this point.
Really?
Yes. Since it would be a waste, we reused the original closet and made use of it.
I see. So, the frame and door from the closet over there, you relocated them here?
Yes, we moved them.
Usually, relocating something like this isn't really done, or many companies don't do it, right?
That's true. It's really difficult.
If someone asked me, can you do this? I'd usually say, no, we can't, because the frame would get damaged. But this time, you cleanly removed and relocated the frame.
Exactly. In our field, we even have a term for this: capturing it alive.
That's industry slang. So, you captured it alive and relocated it here. Is the wood grain and everything in its original condition?
Yes, this part here was the original color. But the owner wanted to update the look a bit. So we applied Reatech decorative sheets just on the frame parts.
So, the middle section is original. And you covered the surrounding 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, so 8 frame pieces with Reatech sheet.
That's right.
You really preserved the original parts beautifully. Did you also move the baseboards?
Yes, though for the parts that didn't fit perfectly, we had new matching pieces custom made by furniture craftsmen.
I see. Since this is a rental property, the renovation maximized the reuse of existing materials as much as possible. So, the doors and other elements remain in their original condition. And the overall finish was done to match that color tone, right?
Exactly.
This kind of work involves some risk. So there really aren't many companies willing, or able to do it. Thank you. Next, I'd like to ask you about this area here. What kind of space is this?
This is the kitchen.
The kitchen has folding doors?
Yes.
That's unusual.
These are actually the original doors, but we applied decorative sheets on the surface.
Same as before then. The frame is left as is?
That's right. Also, regarding the kitchen itself, we replaced it entirely. Originally, there used to be a washing machine here.
Oh, there was a washing machine pan in that spot?
Yes, there was. And the kitchen was positioned right next to it. But we thought it makes more sense to move the washing machine to the bathroom area.
Right. There wouldn't be any space for a refrigerator here.
Exactly. And the old setup had one of those tiny refrigerators built into the kitchen.
I see. They're not popular anymore.
No, it was a style from 30 years ago. So we modernized it and replaced it with a new kitchen made by Kame Seisakusho.
It is the Compact 50 model, isn't it? We use this one a lot too.
Yes, that's the one we installed here.
What's the width of this kitchen unit?
It's 90 centimeters.
So that's the smallest size available?
Yes,
So originally, it had a mini kitchen setup?
that's right.
Now the range hood and overhead cabinets have been replaced. And the front and both side walls have been finished with kitchen panels.
Exactly. Next, let's take a look around the entrance area.
Sure.
This is the entrance. And originally, there was only one manual lock. We've replaced it with an automatic electronic lock.
So you replaced the entire lock system?
Yes, it's now a digital key system. It locks automatically. Nowadays, even for single-tenant apartments, these dual-lock electronic systems are becoming mainstream.
I see. This building already has auto-lock security at the main entrance. But this adds an extra layer of security for the individual unit.
Exactly.
So you can unlock it by entering a PIN code?
That's right. Also, this door frame, we applied Reatech sheet on all of it as well.
Even the frame is wrapped with Reatech sheet?
Yes, the entire frame. And this mirror.
Was it originally here?
Yes, we also covered its frame with Reatech sheet.
I see.
And over here, this countertop area, we also applied sheet material just on the top surface.
The doors are still the original ones?
That's correct.
Just changing the sheet on the surface really gives a different impression.
Yes, it makes a huge difference.
If you were to cover all the cabinet doors, it would cost significantly more. So for owners who want to save on renovation costs, just updating the top surface is a smart option.
Exactly.
And above the shoe storage, you also finish the wall with accent wallpaper.
Yes, that's right.
Now, I'd love to see how you separated the original 3-piece unit bath.
Yes, of course. This area here was originally a 3-piece unit bath.
So, there was no frame like this at all?
No, there wasn't.
And the old 3-piece unit was located here?
Yes. We completely replaced it with a new setup.
And this is a shower unit.
That's right.
Which manufacturer is this from?
This is from House Tech, model 0812.
Got it. Could you step inside for a moment? How does the size of the 0812 feel in person? Well, you're a fairly big guy yourself.
It's actually quite comfortable. There's plenty of space to shower.
I see. You could go with an 0808, but if there's enough room, you'd prefer to install an 0812.
Exactly.
Thank you.
And the washing machine that was originally in the kitchen, we relocated it here.
I see. So, you moved it from the kitchen area into this dressing, laundry space.
Exactly. Next, let's take a look at the toilet.
This door is a sliding door.
Yes, we installed it. And now it's a separate, independent toilet. We applied accent wallpaper to one wall.
It's such a cute accent design. And you also added downlights here, right?
Yes, we did. Next, this door leading to the entrance area. We reused the original one, but applied a sheet just on the surface.
So the frame and door are both original. But only the outer sheet was replaced.
That's right. And the center part remains as it was. So only the sheeting cost was added for the door.
I see.
Now in this room, this might have been the most critical part. Since this building is 32 years old, the window sash here had serious deterioration. The window beading had completely rotted away.
Yes, old sliding glass doors like these often have blackened or moldy beading. It looks really bad.
That's exactly how it was. So we decided to remove the entire section, disassemble the frame, clean everything thoroughly, and polish it up.
So you actually removed the beading altogether?
Yes, we removed it, cleaned, polished, and then sealed it with caulking.
Normally, people would just replace the beading. Was that not possible this time?
It wasn't available anymore.
I see.
So since there was no replacement, we had to figure out what to do instead. Normally it can't be done, but the wind here is strong because it's up high, and the rattling noise was something I personally couldn't tolerate. So after getting the owner's approval, we decided to just go ahead and fix it properly.
And the window frame was wrapped with sheet material too?
Yes, the frames were in terrible condition. So we also applied Retech sheet to make them look new again. Now it should last a good 10 years easily.
Yes, it should be fine with just regular room cleaning. Maybe only a wallpaper refresh every few years, but overall, it's a very solid room. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, may I ask about the total renovation cost for this project?
Yes, this time the total cost came to 1.92 million yen, including tax.
1.92 million yen. So it's a full renovation under 2 million yen, including tax. That's impressive, considering the original 3-piece unit bath was separated into a shower room and a toilet. The kitchen was replaced. And the washing machine pan was relocated. From everything you've shown us about this room, it's clear that you maximized reuse of existing materials and fixtures wherever possible.
Exactly.
If you had replaced every single door and fixture, it would be hard to stay under 2 million yen.
Right.
This is in Nagoya, and there's a limit to how much rent you can charge. So your plan makes sure the owner can recover the cost efficiently.
Exactly.
I understand that your company also specializes in both rental property and pre-owned home renovations.
That's right.
So, for owners of older apartments or condominiums around Nagoya or Inazawa, please feel free to contact us for consultation. Thank you very much for today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. At IMECHEN, we offer 2 nationwide renovation plans. A flat-rate renovation service for rental properties called IMECHEN, and another service for pre-owned homes called IMECHEN Next. You can download the brochures for both IMECHEN and IMECHEN Next from our official website. If you haven't gotten yours yet, please make sure to check them out. We're also currently holding our in-person training program, the School of Renovation. It's a 3-day course where you can learn the fundamentals of renovation and the basics of rental property sales. This program is designed especially for those working in renovation companies. So if you're interested, Please take a look at the link in the description below for more details.